All right, guys, just a little action on the new concrete there. Man, I'm super pumped about having this. It's, you know, it's like for some people with bigger companies, bigger shops, whatever, it's just an afterthought. But for me, you guys that have been following for a long time know that I didn't have any concrete outside of the door, my roll-up door right there. So all this out here was, initially it was just like soft dirt and mud, but now I've got, you know, this concrete mix or ground up concrete base or whatever it is that packs down pretty good, and you can drive on it in the, you know, in the winter. But it's still a little tricky to unload stuff. I don't know, I think I've showed this before. This is a 48-foot PJ trailer. It is a pain to drive. I mean, it pulls really good, but it weighs 12,000 pounds. And yeah, so I love all the built-in straps. Those are handy. It is air ride, and it's got 16K. Oh, we got a friend out. For long-term viewers, you guys that watch the Old Barn Homestead channel, you remember seeing these guys. Yeah, they're still around. Anyway, so there's a look at that. So what I was unloading there were some air compressors, and I'll have a little bit of video at the end of the of this video just showing them out of the box. But they're dedicated, I mean, they're primarily dedicated to lasers, although you could use them for anything. But they make a lot of pressure, so you would, if you're going to use it for shop air, you would need to regulate it down. So I got 12 of those, and a few of them already been sold. And also have I'll show in the back of the video too here. My goal, I can never get this long trailer right here in here, or I can never get a semi in here either. So now, I think you can see it. I've got a drive that starts out here at the corner and swings around and then loops back to the road. So a truck can come this way. This is how to get to Dallas. They normally, you know, will come in this way and turn around and then just sort of have the back of their trailer right there, and I can run out with a forklift and load them up. So, yeah. But the air compressors are 290 PSI at 50 CFM, like 20 or 25 horsepower. They've got 4 or 5 stages of desiccant absorption drying in addition to the refrigerated dryer. Here's one right here. It's a different brand. And it's actually a pretty good one. I've sold a few of these. This particular one does not have a VFD. All these other ones in the crates have VFDs, which is really a big, kind of a long-term helpful savings. But anyway, these are, so anyway, all this stuff right here, the transformers and all that go with the lasers. And I got some spare parts in from Prima, never mind the mess. We got cylinders there for the common brakes that I sell, so that's good. If I ever have a cylinder failure, I've got them here I can send out. We got tooling, so if you're somebody that bought a press brake from me in the past and you want tooling, I've got hemming dies, I've got 3-inch opening dies, I've got segmented 4-way bottom dies, and I have gooseneck punches on the way. So anyway, the lasers are sold now, and I got to get them installed. I got one going to Mississippi to some guys that have been following me for quite a while, but we'll have videos on that. And also got a special helper coming to help me with that one, so you'll want to maybe check that one out. I'll be loading one of these up and all the stuff that goes with it in later in this week, and driving over to Mississippi to spend some time over there and get it going. And then this is a air compressor. It's sold and just waiting for LTL freight company to come get it, and we'll get it loaded up. But yep, I got more videos coming. I delivered a couple of press brakes this week to some neat places and got some video of that, so we'll get videos up on it soon. But I thought you guys might want to see a look at stuff. And yeah, have a good one, guys. Send an email to me at my address on the screen there if you're interested in anything, but be very patient. Right now, really all I have in stock I can ship out is an air compressor. I do have more brakes on the way. So, and here's a close-up look of the Rocky air compressors that you saw me unloading in the crates. And again, these are VFD units. There you can see the 5 stages of desiccant back there, the canisters. And this is at my buddy Sean's shop. He got one of them from me. I delivered it. We got it unloaded. I'll get some video up of that. I shot quite a bit of footage of us doing that. And but he's also getting a laser soon, so we'll have video on that also.